Real quick repair review for my friend Possum. You blow the pill, man. When you go on sideband, you might turn your driver all the way down or don't drive it at all, just run your 2-pill. Sideband's hard on these things, and I'd say that's when you blow it. If you do go on sideband, turn your variable down on your driver and take it easy. Even though it is biased, I don't know what it is with sideband, it's still hard on. You don't need to drive it near as hard. But anyway, we got you fixed up. We're going to take care of you, my friend. Like I said, if you go on sideband, don't even drive it. Just run it in the radio or take it, at least turn your driver all the way down. And your RF power on your radio all the way down. There you go, buddy. We're going to go straight through SWR. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Straight through 0. Input SWR, just barely any. Let's go look at the LP. Radio drive. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. It's 30 watt drive. Worldwide, worldwide. Peaks 34. Click on my driver. We're on 15.5 now. Bird LP. Bird driven PP. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. We're doing about 17, 18 on the bird. LP. Driven. Worldwide, 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 hell, worldwide, hell, worldwide, hell, worldwide. So 1900 some odd watts. 700 bird. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. She's all good to go, man. There ain't no heat coming out of it right now. Like I said, that sideband's what got you. If you do run your sideband and you run your driver, turn your variable down all the way down to 0 on your driver. Because you don't want to drive them hard at all, man, on sideband. Hello, audio, worldwide, 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 worldwide. There you go, buddy. Got y'all going. We just took care of this time. I can't do it every time, but I'll take care of this time, Possum. Send this thing back to you, man. Appreciate the business. Good luck. Hope you don't have no more trouble. Your friend 1008 Beavis. Catch you later, Mr. Possum. Bye-bye.